In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can download CV from Europass. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. Now just need to go to Europass. You can see here. Now after that, after you are on this page, you just need to click here. It says create your free Europass profile. Now it will ask you to log in or register. Like, depends if you have the account already. Now because I already created an account, I'm just going to click here or log in here, and it's going to take me here. I'm going to enter the password and then I will come back to you. So this will pop up these three different options. You just need to click on create my profile, and then you want to add here all your information. Now this will be used for your CV, so just make sure you enter here the correct information. Here you just need to add here your work experience, like describe all your work experiences. You can include paid work and internships and like freelancing. You can just add any type of work here. So I'm going to start here from, for example, 7 to like to go to 10, for example, and then here like I'm going to, like, I started from example for 2010 to like 2020, for example. This is just an example, and ongoing. You can also add here ongoing. After that, you want to click on next. Now in the next page, it will ask you like your language skills. You can just enter here which is your like first language. I'm going to go with Arabic here. And after that, you want to enter here other languages you can speak, like you can add French, English, and you can add as many languages as you want. Here listening, you can like I'm going to go with I understand phrases, understand everything. Reading, the same thing. Spoken interaction, basic user. Writing, I'm going to go basic user. Spoken production, I'm going to go with independent user. Here the search or add the new skill. You can add the new skill here. For example, note that in order to publish your profile in Europass, like leverage our job matching algorithms, it's required to make use of Europass standard classification. These are marked by the Europe flag within the lists. So I'm going to add the new skill. For example, it's a drop shipping, and yeah, after that you want to click on create. Now once you do all of this, then your profile will be created successfully, just like now, as you can see. Now next step is you want to click on my Europass here in the top left. Now after that, if you don't see like any CVs here you have already created, you can just click here on create a CV here. In the left, just click on create CV, and I'm going to go with use standard CV builder. Now three different options. You start your profile, start from Europass CV. I'm going to go with create a new CV. So after that, you just need to enter the details here. Very simple. The description, like the passport, like for example, you can add here the ID or passport, whatever you want. And here work, here I'm going to go with I'm going to select here Morocco. Now you can fill up all these information. After that, you want to click on next. After that, your CV is done. Now what you need to do, just select the template, which template like is better for you. Now I'm going to go with example with this one. Okay, and then here you can also select a color for your CV. I always go with blue, so I'm going to go with blue. And here to select the text size for your CV, I'm going to go with large. Yeah, then after that, here add Europass logo, every page or first page only, or no. You can also remove the logo completely by clicking on no. Add page numbers, you can do that here. Add the closing statement. After you are done, click on next. Now after that, in the next page, what you need to do is you can either download this. Okay, first you have to name your CV. I'm going to name it CV Europass. Okay, And here you can either save this in your Europass library, or you can download it for to your laptop so that you can use it whenever you want. So just click on download, and this is your CV. Just press and hold and then drag it to desktop here, and you can always send this to whoever you want. Just click on it, and this is my CV. Of course it's empty because I didn't enter anything here, so you can always like enter all the information about yourself and it will appear in your CV. Now I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, and see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.